Hi, I'm Andrew Tan, the online retail expert, and I've just got one question to ask you. Do you know what Qoo10 is? Qoo10 is actually the largest and fastest growing online shopping site in Singapore. And every year, they are now making in excess of 300 million a year. And there's a lot of products being spent, and I just want to ask you one big question. Do you agree that online sales is on the rise? And do you agree that online sales is going to get even bigger and even bigger? And the simple question is, people are going to spend money online anyway. Do you want to know how to take the money that people are going to spend anyway? Now, right now on Qoo10, there are quite a lot of hidden gems, actually in plain sight, that people don't know can be used to make money. And that's a secret that I'd like to reveal to you right now. Come over here.
Okay, now take a look at this article. This article says more local sales at e-retail site Qoo10. Now, what this article reveals to you now is that on Qoo10, there are 1 million members. Actually, even till today, there is still around 1 million plus members only. Now, and what it's showing you here is that 65% of monthly transactions is actually domestic sales. In actual fact, 65% of all Qoo10 sales is Singapore sales. Okay, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, we all Singaporeans really spend a lot of money online. Okay, and just to let you know, like how much did Qoo10 do last year? Last year itself was over 300 million. So what does it tell you? The market really is on a rise for online retail. Now, but let's look at, there are only how many sellers on Qoo10 today, okay? There's only 10,000 local sellers. And in fact, the local sellers, not even till today, it is still around that figure only. And let's look at what's happening on Qoo10 today. Now, overseas sellers are taking the main bulk of Singapore sales. In other words, there's a lot of spending being done by Singaporeans, but where is the money going to? Is it to local sellers or to overseas sellers? And what I want to show you in a short moment is proof to you that even today, there's a lot of products that is in the bestseller list that's currently being taken by foreign sellers, when in truth what can be happening is you can be beating that competition and taking their products and sell their products locally. Therefore, you take over their profits. And why can you do that? Because the article says buyers prefer dealing with local sellers because they provide faster shipping. Okay, now let's go to Qoo10 and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now on the Qoo10 site, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Qoo10 homepage and I'm scrolling down to show you the bestseller list. Okay, now in the bestseller list, you notice that we've got the bestsellers here. Okay, and to save time, I've actually selected those that I've already found that even in the bestseller list are overseas sellers. Take this number 6 one, for example. Okay, now number 6 here, orange one. Once you click on shop info, you'll be able to see the information of that shop. Where is it from? Then you see from Korea. Okay, so it's a Korean seller. Look at this other one, Swarovski Elements. Okay, and when you click on shop info, Korean seller again. Let's take a simple product, for example, like these Tag Heuer glasses. Okay, it's just a standard product with a few different colors. Click on shop info again. Where are they from? Korea. Take this other guy, this other guy, simple product, for example, this clock. Okay, click on shop info again, from China. And that's why I'm telling you, like, see this glasses, okay, the Swarovski Elements. There's a lot of people in the plain sight that are in the bestseller list. They are overseas sellers, and what you can be doing, take over those niches, sell them for yourself. And why can you beat them? Very simple. You just think of it logically speaking. Local to local shipping, is it faster compared to overseas to local shipping? Local to local, maybe 1-2 days, maximum 3 days. Overseas shipping, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Then let's talk about the cost of shipping as well. Local to local shipping cheaper or overseas to local shipping cheaper? Because you can pass down your savings to your customers, what do you think your customers will reward you with? Volume sales, okay? And there's another big benefit. Now, here's the thing, you are local selling to local. If there are any issues that come up or questions that come up with regards to the transaction, what can be done? Pick up the phone, call the customer, and they feel happy that you are taking attention to them. Can the overseas guy do that? No, okay? So this is just like one of the little gems that I'm giving to you free here in this video. But in my talk, when you come to my talk, there are so many more other gems that I'm going to share with you. And I look forward to seeing you at my talk, okay? Catch you soon.